Time is like 5:30 in the evening, and in another half an hour, Umar is coming to pick me up, and we're gonna go to one of the coolest showroom in Riyadh, which is a car showroom. And I've just called them up. There is one of the interesting cars which I want to look into, which is a BMW M5 Sport. There's also one really rarest Rolls Royce, which is unique color, and the color is kick-ass. I've already seen the car. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the car as well. And this guy has a pretty exotic cars. I'll show you. This is G63 4x4 square. I don't know what the square means, but this is completely customized. They have Pirelli tires, custom exhaust, and what else? 2022 1640 kilometers only. Fuck man. This is 2011 SLS, 1.1 million, and it has driven 25,000 kilometers. Crazy car, man. And this grey Bentley 2022 model GT Speed version, 1.78 million. Yes. And this is 2022 G63, which is 4x4, 20,000 kilometers, 1.2 million. So there's a lot of difference between this car and that bigger one, that one. And one more G63 over there. It is 2022 again, roughly 25,000 kilometers, 1.2 million. Yes, this is BMW 520i 2022 model, 275,000. Pretty decent car and a daily office car, I would say. Firstly, you have, what do you have here? We have, fuck man, this is Ford. The minor collection must be at least 40-50 years old, and surprisingly they have the original bonnet and original, everything is original. I mean, there's no change in this. And here we have, what do we have here? We have Laconda and the lights pump up from there. Here we have the Rolls Royce, and it is, again, this is pretty old Rolls Royce. Yeah, this looks pretty old. And we have the Mercedes, yes, and the GMC truck. Fuck man, this is quite big. Denali GMC truck. And we have another Ford here. This must be Skylar. Yeah, this is Ford Skylar. Really old car and really exciting car. Yeah, there you have the banner. This is Aventador. We'll go inside also, we'll go in. This is what? Rolls Royce 1990 model, 13,000 kilometers, 8.5. There, yeah, there it was 1.8, 2 tha wahan pe.
This is 1970, 3 lakh riyal.
1970, yeah? You see the build now. In the original bonnet and everything is original in this. And what else do you have here? This is what Bentley, 41,000 kilometers driven, 850. This is 1958 model, 1958, and you see the color. Good paint work, na? Extremely good paint work. Look at the back. Look at the back. And this is Rolls Royce Silver Spur 2. Nice, no? And this is also again 1981. See, look at this car. Really exciting Lamborghini.
2 million.
Yeah. I think this is one of the first Lamborghinis. 89, huh? Yeah, that's what. This is one of the first Lamborghinis I remember. This is 1989 model. 11,000 kilometers only. How come? Fuck man. Crazy car. And what is this? This is custom shop. It's too classy, no? This one you're saying? They tried to copy Lamborghini Urus. Because from outside I was thinking that this is Lamborghini Urus. Same देखो वहाँ पे even I thought that is Lamborghini Urus.
All these.
Even the logo is similar to Lamborghini. Because somebody who sees from far, no, they think that this is Lamborghini for sure. Genesis, huh?
Literally Lamborghini दिखी मेरे को.
Genesis, huh?
Genesis
नहीं Lambo वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना. This is exactly Lamborghini Urus from behind. And you'll see price देखे तो how much was the price? 90,000, huh? 93,000 reals. Now let's go see some super sports. I know you are interested in seeing that, so let's see some super sports. KTM 350,000. This is purely a race track car. This is purely a track car. Nothing other than that. See, lot of buttons on the steering if you can see. Yeah. Purely race track car. Purely track car. And this is Ferrari. We have Ferrari GTC 4 2016 model. Price is written in Arabic, so I don't know. And we have, this is normal, nothing much to see. Aston Martin 2020, 1000 kilometers only. And price, again it's written in Arabic, I know, I have no clue. This is, yeah, this is crazy car. Look at the clearance, there is nothing, literally nothing. And this is 2016 model, by the way. And from behind it is something like this. GT RS. Man, this is a fun car to drive. Porsche. 1000 kilometers 2019. And what do we have here? Mercedes SLR. 2.5 million 2009, 32,000 kilometers. Look at the color, interesting color. It's not white, it's off-white. And we have two Aventadors here. The shitty color and this sexy grey color. And this is 1 million. I'll show you one surprising car. Look at the color of this. Rolls Royce. But how come these are just 1000 kilometers only? I said, chala ke they would have stopped. You see, this is 5 years old car, and they have driven only 1000 kilometers. But the paint is amazing. You know. See how this is. Okay. See this little lying down, I say. But this is earlier model. मतलब नया है. Not that old. This is really old ना. इसका देखो कैसा है. समझ में आ रहा ना? I think अभी नया वाले में ऐसा ही है. The older one. Looking at this car ना, nobody believes that this is Ferrari. But this is Ferrari 412. Yeah, one of the first models. See, 1984. It's really, really old.
This is when I was born.
So there was Porsche also similar to this lamp. ऐसा आएगा ऊपर ऐसा. It will come like this. Thank you a lot for watching the video, and please do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who are car enthusiasts, so that they will also get to know about the cars which are amazing to drive. And until next one, see ya. Peace.